In ancient Greece, sneezing wasn't annoying. It was a divine sign. During a speech to his stranded army, the General Xenophon urged them to march home through enemy lands. And just as he finished, a soldier sneezed loudly. The army cheered. They believed the gods had spoken, and they followed Xenophon into one of history's most legendary retreats, the March of the 10,000. A single sneeze helped launch a heroic escape that became a timeless story. So, maybe your sneeze isn't just allergies. Maybe it's fate. Would you follow someone after a sneeze? Let me know in the comments.